What the hell is that? Oh my god. Good morning. I don't know. I think it's almost the afternoon. But I am going to get my hair done and you guys are coming with me. Gosh, it is time to get these curls together, guys. Favorite hair dryer ever. I love when she puts me under here. Hi, me. I forgot conditioner. I forgot the conditioner for the products that I wanted to use today. I really, really, really like these. Now, I've used them in my hair. She has never used them, so this is the first time she's experiencing these products. I'm sad that I left the conditioner, but that's okay. We're gonna show them in another video. Okay, so I've always wanted to try this anyway, so it happens to work. And of course, you know me, guys. I love a good aesthetic, so it worked out. Come on, black and brown in my hair today. What the fine black woman do in my hair today?
Ready to get started, y'all. Let's do it.
Come on, let's do it.
Curls for the girls.
Okay, I need to take my coat off.
We're gonna do the clay.
Oh,
the hair clay.
Snap! Oh my god, you got to
Yeah.
see this one.
Oh, now look color. Get that back. Get that back. Start from the scalp.
Other stuff.
Get the edges.
I just haven't used it in the kids' hair because I'm like, you know what? No, this is my luxury hair care. It's, like the definition is still there, like right after.
Concentration. Oh my god.
Concentration. Let me try.
Oh. Feels good. And then the conditioner is called Make It Rain. I love it.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh my God, it's cold. You cute. You cute. We cute. Oh girl.
Okay.
Doing me dirty.
Okay,
Is it because I'm a best friend?
What we gonna do? You gotta think about it while I take a bite. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Like just off of shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah. So you spend most of your time under the dryer.
Yeah, I love. Come on, selfie stick.
Oh. Twist it, put it in there. Just like that.
She working hard, y'all. No, she
Come on,
not.
you're sweating
No, she not.
in this damn silk shirt.
Girl, your shirt is silk. Girl, why you got a shirt that on?
Yay.
Yay.
Almost there, guys.
Period.
Yes, friend. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Wow. Wow. I feel like she's been throwing slight
Girl, you
shade.
know what?
Like this whole time, yo.
No, for real, we do have a Karen.
No, was that her peeping through the motherfucking window? No, girl, she walked through there and she stopped and like smiled like she was happy to see two black women,
Oh, okay.
like in a positive light.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, we are fire. We are going to lunch. Yes, I am going out like this because I am a bad bitch. So, after all that, I still gotta be in the dryer. I still have to be under the dryer. But not that long. I feel like for maybe 30 minutes. Right?
30 minutes.
She winked at me.
Then you better sit under that too.
I feel like it's dry enough.
I'll test one.
Well, yeah. Oh, shit.
I forgot his name.
Girl, he dating her?
No, I think this is something with Oscar or something.
Oh, God.
Yeah, they're not dating.
Oh, my God. They should date. He's fine as hell. They look good together. No, that's Mufasa. Oh, she would be fire.
It's called Rebel Ridge. Did you see this with him?
No.
Watch it. And he's like former like
Text it to me real quick. So
Martial art guy.
text it to me. Oh my God, Bruce Leroy.
Oh yeah, he fucked some shit up with that. Like mentally.
Hey, this is why vlogging takes forever. Hey. Oh.
Oh yeah, it did good.
Yeah, what you need, little nigga, we having the bags of gas and they moving fast, and you can imagine that. Watch, I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Years all eyes on me.
I can't believe you tried like that. That is hilarious. Like we were able to go out. You really snuck out of the damn dryer.
I just want everyone to know I was not like, I was so sketched because I'm not sure like how my hair would look.
Perfect.
It came out so pretty. I can, and look at that. And look at what you did. Yes.
Yep.
That's what it has to be.
You gotta really. It gives it a.
I have wanted this hairstyle for so long, and I was not sure that I was confident to get it, and I got it. So fire, friend. Period.